Today on Adobe Bloom Graphics, I'm going to be creating 3D text using Adobe Dimension. And as you know, my whole YouTube channel is on Adobe Dimension. Again, I will appreciate you clicking that like button and also subscribing. So right here on our starter assets on the left, we're going to click on text. So here we go, it's rendered up. And then we're going to switch to the right hand side underneath Scene, Action, Properties. Underneath Properties, we're going to scroll to where it says Text. We'll say Adobe. Actually, I want that. There we go. We're going to change right here underneath it, Arial. We're going to do, let's do a thicker, maybe a real fat base. No, let's. Since I already did my sketch, I kind of do have something in mind. Go with this one. More like, robotic, gamey, bloom. This one, as you saw in my sketch, I kind of want to do lowercase. Let's do maybe some sort of script. Style. Perhaps, I don't know, change. This one, Alicia, capitalize graphics. Let's again move it. We'll change the font on that. I want more of like a comic-y. Do we believe we have like a comic type of font? Yes, this one. Do maybe a 5. This one, not too much, maybe like a 30 in depth. 4 sounds good. This one, maybe a little bit more. Let's do about a 5 also. And if we select all again, we can see on the side the depth of that. Yep, that's cool. Alright, now that we got the text, we're actually gonna click on the text. So show right here. You go text. You can either go right or just go to actions. And you'll get the side, the face, the bevel, and the back. It does come with some sort of beveling already, but you can add more beveling at the bottom, which is just, where is it? Click on it. All the way down, you can bevel it. And just basically just a carving. That's kind of cool. We're gonna bevel that. And again, click on text. Let's do, since I kind of want to go type of, I don't know, gamer. So now I'm kind of just trying different pieces that would fit with the font, with the color, changing the beveling, the spacing of characters. All on the right hand side in properties and the scene and the action. Here I'm going to change the environment lighting with the global rotation, global intensity, and just doing a little bit of changes to make it look the way I want. Now I'm going to save this file under my local directory, and I'm going to also save a PSD Photoshop document and a PNG. This here is the completed image. It shows right here how long it took to render, and I'm actually going to open it now in Photos. In the end, I think this came out amazing. I love the colors that I chose. I love the way the fonts just work with each other.